Hello everyone and welcome. Today I will be showing you how to make a ruffle scrunchie. I have another scrunchie video. If you haven't seen it, please check the description box below. To start off, you'll need a hairband, any yarn of your choice, and a 4mm crochet hook. You will now secure the yarn to the hairband by tying it around the band with a knot. I gave mine 2 knots to secure it tightly. Using your 4mm crochet hook, push the hook through the band, grab your yarn and pull through to make a slip knot. Then through the band again, grab the yarn with the needle and pull through 2 loops to make a single crochet. Continue to put single crochets across the entire band. At the end of your round, make sure that your work is not twisted and that all your single crochets line up before you slip stitch. For the next row, you'll need to chain 2, put 2 double crochets in the same stitch as the chain 2, then continue by putting 3 double crochets in each single crochet until the end of the row. At the end of this row, you'll need to slip stitch at the top of your chain 2 like you did in your previous row, then chain 2 to start the next row. Your scrunchie is taking shape already after the first row, but we will be putting 1 more row of double crochets to make it look more ruffly. For the final row, you will repeat row 2 by putting 2 double crochets in the same stitch as your chain 2 and 3 double crochets in every stitch till the end of the row. Slip stitch at the top of your chain 2, then cut your yarn. Don't forget to weave in your ends, the one that you just cut and the one from the beginning. This method is very easy. It took me about 20 minutes to make one of them, so I made some more. The mulberry and yellow I made to match this bag pictured in the top left corner. If you haven't seen the video yet, please check it out in the description box below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share with your family and friends. Until next time, bye! Thank you for watching.